So, I am working on a design for a personalized Harry Potter wand, as such here. This is what we're going to start with. So, let's get cracking. Okay, so, I also have a new surprise. I'm going to be working with my sister.
Hello.
So, to start the design off, we're going to need a twig or stick, such as this. There's you're in need of. We'll see about you later. As for now, you're free. Okay. So you can go on the website Pottermore, and you can see the size of your wand, and so you can cut this accordingly. So, of course, do that. Hold on. Okay, after that small interruption, so we started out with this, and you take down the bark down to the handle. There was my brother a second ago. Anyway, you take it down to the handle here. When you peel off all the bark, you left this really cool handle where it goes up. And now, what I did to add a bit of effect, like you were casting magic out of the front, is you burn the tip a little bit. Do this with parental assistance, though, but I thought that was cool. I even drew up a rough schematic in my journal here. Hold on. Gotta do some. You can see I drew up a schematic. The entire thing. I will be following. So, I like to add this chunk of handle next to it, and so I want this shape to be coming out. Like, think of it as like a sword hilt. You have a sword, you have the bit coming out that makes your hand not go up to the blade, or that also appears on a lot of Harry Potter wands. This is the one that I made. I thought it looked cool, and of course, you just cut it out. Let me just do that. Look at those. Okay, so I used my time turner to fast forward to when this was done. Anyway, so this is it, and then you, of course, just slide it over your wand. Here. So you have it. Please quiet down. And also to this command, what I like to do is, of course, ask your parents, but you carve the handle. There's many different designs you can do. Let me do one right now. 3, 2, 1. Alright, so as you can see, it's hard. The camera will not focus, but I made zigzags all the way down. Like crosses, like a chain fence all the way around. And that's the next part. And if I actually look at my schematics, sorry. No. There's a wizard around. I'm pretty sure we actually should be done with it. As you can see, this is there's a lot of things to switch out and things to do that you can do differently to make it your own. And also, again, Pottermore is really good to find this stuff out. You can figure out what type of wood this is, what kind of core, what length, as I mentioned before, and such things. So go check that out and adjust the wand accordingly. But another thing is, if you would like to make a stand for it, I literally just took toilet paper roll and I cut holes in the side. It works perfectly. Oh, no, okay. You have to put it down to the actual piece of cardboard. Did not do that a second ago. But yes. Then you can show it off around, and there it is. And now, let's see.
Abracadabra!
This is my sister modeling the thing. Okay, she poked me in the face. This is my brother.
Pizza.
He's playing video games the entire time. And I'd like to say, please like and subscribe. And sorry. Please like the video and subscribe if you're new, and click the notifications and comment, please. Thank you. And very meaningful. And stop. Oh yeah, and whoever subscribes to me, I will subscribe to them.
Yippee! And I'll subscribe to them too.